Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for drone enthusiasts, the best aspect ratio for your drone videos. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, choosing the right aspect ratio can make a huge difference in how your footage looks and feels. So, let's break down the pros and cons of two popular options, 4:3 and 16:9. First up, we have the 4:3 aspect ratio. This classic format is known for capturing more vertical content in your shots. If you're aiming for that cinematic look or planning to use advanced stabilization software like Gyroflow, 4:3 might be your go-to choice. One of the main advantages of shooting in 4:3 is that it provides more data for stabilization. When you stabilize your footage, especially in post-production software like Gyroflow, having extra vertical pixels can help maintain a high-quality image, reducing the risk of cropping out important elements. On the flip side, we have the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard for most modern screens, including TVs and smartphones. If your main platform is YouTube or you're sharing on social media, 16:9 can make your videos look more polished and professional. The 16:9 ratio matches the dimensions of most screens today, which means your audience will see your footage as you intended, without any black bars or cropping. This is particularly important if you want your videos to pop on devices that people use every day. So, how do you decide between the two? Here are a few things to consider. First, content type. If you're shooting landscapes or want maximum stabilization, 4:3 might be your best bet. Second, platform. For YouTube or social media, 16:9 is often the better choice for compatibility and aesthetics. Third, post-processing. If you plan to edit extensively, starting with 4:3 gives you more flexibility. Ultimately, the best aspect ratio depends on your specific needs and where you plan to showcase your work. Try experimenting with both to see which fits your style best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your drone footage. Let us know in the comments which aspect ratio you prefer and why. Until next time, happy flying!